Mercedes Vito 2023. Customer wanted aftermarket rear sensors and front sensors. As you can see here is the rear sensors all color coded and matched to the car. Gloss black. I'll show you the front ones. So just around here. So there's the front ones. One's there. One further up, and repeated obviously on the passenger side as well. So now on here, if I switch the vehicle on, so if I was to start the vehicle and go to reverse, you can get the audible beeping sound coming through on the back, but obviously it's not really close to anything so far, so it's not going to give us the beeping sound. And I'll show you the front ones. So the front ones have this little parking button just here, so once you press it, it'll be activated for about 10 seconds. If something is still in the vicinity of the sensors, it will still continue to go after the 10 seconds, and then once the vehicle is switched off or it's not detecting any more extra movement, after about 10 seconds it will switch itself back off again. So tap that one there. Obviously, if I then move further forward to something, as you can hear, you have the sensors going off. And if I go back to park, you can simply shut the sensors back off by pressing the button again, or simply just switching the vehicle off after your manoeuvre. And that's pretty much it. That's all done. If you'd like this installed, give us a call, 0208 554 554.